clutch pedal says bye bye. What's up, Baldy?
Hello friends, you join us again in the pit of despair, although things are looking slightly brighter today, aren't they, George? We are at the van, episode 3 this is, in case you haven't been keeping count. We have an engine in. This is a BMW M57 in my W906 Sprinter van. Numbers. The engine's in, the engine's mounted, the gearbox is mounted, and it's just doing some things and some widgery-doos.
We're rolling, we're getting places.
We are getting places. We've got a nice list here of things.
It's going to be overexposed. Enjoy that. I'll get another shot of that so you can see what's cracking on.
Novice cameraman. I've had to hack the bumper to pieces along here to get it over my E46 radiator intercooler aircon condenser setup. We have made some brackets here. They're painted black, you can't see the bodgery, but basically I hacked the front chassis legs of the E46 apart and took the bits that I needed to mount the plastics. So I'll quickly run through this gargantuan list of things that need to get done. As I've hacked the bumper apart, I've now hacked the crash bar apart. That's probably going to need some reinforcing. Top radiator mounts, because as you can see my radiator is very unmounted at the moment. And then loads of other things like coolant, heater matrix lines. I'm going to run the E46 fuel filter from the E46. No surprises there. Work out the 8 HP to E46 gearbox cooler lines, connect the brake booster, chop the prop shaft. Well, I'll send it off to get the prop shaft chopped up. I need to clearance the interior of the tunnel because the prop shaft is at a bit of a funny angle and smashing on some gear shifter. We've got an E90 gear shifter. That is gear stick, man. Why have I called it gear
shifter, bro?
You know what I mean? Hate myself. Gear stick from an E90. I need to mount that in the cabin where the gear stick goes. Sort out a ton of engine wiring, put the ECU somewhere nice. Gearbox wiring, because I've got a fancy controller. I spent my entire wages for 3 years on one little box about this big that came from Mars, and it helped me control my 8 HP box. Intake for the engine, because obviously it doesn't have the original intake system. Off the clutch pedal, they're for peasants. Got a flat tyre. We're getting into boring stuff now. Reassemble the front end, because as you can see, some bits missing. Replace the engine and gearbox mounts. I've got brand new rubber boys, rev gauge and temp gauge. And then, should be ready to break it in other ways.
It's a long list to talk through, but when you look at it on paper, it's actually quite a small amount of things.
This is a small amount of things. So first things first, I'm going to continue hacking away at my crash bar. How many of these we're going to get done in this episode? 1? 3? Yeah, do you know what I mean? Sun's out, it's coming to winter. Really, we've got to put the pedal to the metal.
Yeah, we're trying to get stuff done because it's really miserable working out here when it's cold
and
wet. Like, look at the ground.
I mean, like a sludge.
This is the floor we're working on, just dirt and gravel. So
well, you can't take it for granted, mate. A lot of people don't have anywhere like this scrapyard.
Gives me a headache.
No, that's joy. That's happiness and joy right there.
I need it categorised and organised.
Dude.
Joy, mate.
We've got Gav, the wizard, on the side quest.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I hate diesels, man.
Diesel, diesel, diesel.
Okay.
Perfect, mate. Perfect, that, mate.
Bash bar complete.
Don't know how much structural integrity that's gained.
Gotta give some rear ends and see how it pans out.
Just gonna need a space. You know what I'm saying?
Well, zap zap, grind grind, zap zap.
Got some big news, everybody. Gav's organised his hard drives, so he's now available on the market.
Catch me soon.
Catch me what?
On the market. Watch out, ladies.
Indeed.com.
That's not what I meant, Gav.
Indeed.
That's not what I meant, Gav. Indeed, mate.
Watch out, admin ladies.
This is Man, that was a left-handed weld. Left-handed welds, mate. Ambidextrous. Please, can you share and like and subscribe and stuff so we can buy a real welding table?
Yeah, and now you need to hold it with your feet.
I'll do that. Oh, it's not on camera.
Weld it with your
Got to pay
feet.
for my OnlyFans. Behold. Clean this up, please, wizard. Whoa, 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 it's hot, man. Like, red hot.
Put it on the floor.
Put it on the floor. Yeah, just clean it up a little bit. I need to paint it flat. We've made the amazing brace for the front, which is definitely very strong. Need to secure the top of the rad, get little rubber bungs that come in here and they go through the original slam panel. So I'm thinking maybe this car's gonna be a half E46, isn't it? We just chop those sections out
Pretty much.
and then use those to make brackets and then.
So yeah, use the
What do you think,
original
Gav?
holes.
I think we could bodge something from here
Yeah,
to here.
that's what we do.
I don't think it needs to be that complex.
No, it's just that it has nice holes for the rubber jobbies to fit in these seats nice. Do you know what I'm saying?
So more cutting,
Gav loves cutting.
more
So
grinding.
let's cut some shapes, bro.
Ooh, very nice.
These little thingamabobs, they go into the thingamabob holders. And then this other end of the thingamabob. Secure, man!
So secure.
It's so secure. Oh, there's one thing I've noticed also, actually, I've cut out, because we're using the original expansion tank from the E46. The, I can demonstrate, if you reach your hand down the back, mate. You can. Mr. Muscles, baby. Go to the motherland. Hey?
Wow.
Epic weekend.
Alright, let's fill it up.
Fist, nigga, hold it up. You have a candle on fist, nigga, hold it up.
clutch pedal says bye bye. Woo.
Out with the manual.
See you later, mate.
Bye, mate. Woo! Woo! Gotcha.
What's the plan, big man?
So I'm trying to figure out how to mount the new gear stick. This is the original mounting. It mounted 2 bolt holes here and then slotted in at the bottom. So if I'm able to save some of this and transfer the top section on to here, that would be dandy. These holes look like they're close, but I don't think they're quite there, so I might have to figure out some extra mounting and widgery-doo-dah.
Metal work, mate. You specifically asked me for
No, plastic work,
you
mate.
specifically asked me
Plastic
for no
work.
metal work, mate.
Get out the super glue. Get out the JB Weld. We're on to a winner.
Alright, mate. Oh, mate.
Apologies, but there's quite a lot of interior to put back together.
Mate, I don't even know how it goes back together, so.
It's just a lot of these screws. Just a lot of these. Just everywhere. You're like, oh yeah, it's done. About 5 more of these are going to be left in.
I'm afraid you're up for that task.
No mate, I dismantle, I don't reassemble.
More expensive gear stick, though.
Basically, I'm chopping off all the mounting points so there's nowhere to put it in. So we're trying to figure out how to mount this. If we, I've chopped off these holes so that we can bring it back a bit, because in its current size and shape, it really wants to be like
Round. Right around. Maybe the right way around might help.
be like that, and you can't really see what's going on. So I've chopped off those mounting points, so it should be able to come closer this way and therefore get a bit more vertical. But I need to put it all back together and see how it's looking.
Action. So we have done some recovery for some E46 bits. We've chopped this bus bar. This was the had a radiator mount on it.
Easy for you to say.
And then we have now made these lovely set of stairs brackets that are now going to be riv knotted here, and we'll mount it here.
Ta-da, mate.
Ta-da! We have a little radiator bracket mount, whatever majiggies you want to call it.
Trying a bit more. It was the scream I liked. It's the one eye scream.
Too much.
Bang. What are you making there good, mate?
Making a mount for the gear stick. Well, gear knob. Just trying to get all the curves in. That's not level. So
It's got a wonky eye. Show us your eye, Jules.
trying to get it sit like that.
Ta-da, mate. You got some nice little ears.
Some nice ears, mate. And then we're going to fold it down here. This bit's going to come down to the bottom and it's going to sit in the original sliders like we saw back in the van.
There you go, mate.
There we go. There's still a lot of angles to do and a lot of things to line up, so I'm not super confident.
There's only 3 more bends.
In my head, morning, noon, and night. I just can't release it. Memory of you. Mama never told me love would leave me so.
Solid.
One secured.
And that
Radiator.
brings an end to this segment.
What have we completed? Let's get the list.
Where is the list?
This one.
Okay.
You cross some things off the list, mate. With neatness, please.
First things. Crash bar.
We've completed the crash bar, my friend.
Done.
Crash bar completed.
Rad mounts. As you just saw. Done. Cooler heater lines, no.
We've done nothing else.
We're done.
George is doing the gear stick right now, but
Yeah, the shifter may be done.
nah, George has got to go do some stuff. So
Okay, no, scrub that. Two done. We've done 2.
making progress.
Lots of progress. We're going to be soon. We're going to be doing all of these.
So
So
stay tuned, mate.
stay tuned for more crossing off lists and more bodgery to make this beautiful car.
That's all, folks. That's all, folks.